Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. Excuse me. So today I'm just going to show you a few things, a few tips that you can apply today so you can start ranking and getting more of those organic leads, okay? So as you can see, we are on your website. And you have a nice looking website, but it doesn't have any content. So when it comes to ranking, content is key. Content is more than just images, it's the actual text and wording throughout your website. And your homepage, Google generally likes to see between 1,000 to 1,500 words or more, depending on your competition. You need more content throughout your website than your competitors. And that 1,000 to 1,500 words is approximately 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword you're trying to target. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching in their web browsers looking for your services. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service they're looking for, and those are the type of buyer intent keywords that you need to be focused on. And because the content is so important, it's very critical that you have a bunch of back pages. You should have a page for every specific type of pool that you guys build. If you do different types of materials, for pool builds, you should have those broken out. If you service multiple areas, you should have a different page for every single area you service that has any type of search volume for your services. That's going to allow Google to index those pages and put you in front of those customers for those services and those locations. Google has something called crawlers, which are like little robots that will go and index every single one of these pages, going through the content to find the keywords so that they can put your website in front of the customers. One of your top competitors is Elite Pools, and they service all of Maryland. So they actually have tons of pages for all of their service area. They also have um, different types of services and pools that they have pages for separately as well. So they're able to get quite a bit of content into their website and go after those buyer intent keywords. Let's see. Their homepage still doesn't have quite enough content, but the content, even of the reviews, is helpful. You just have to get that content in there. You're gonna need to work on your content strategy and make sure that you have more content going after those buyer intent keywords than your top competitor here. Um, This is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see right here, you have a 7 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google does not have a whole lot of trust in your website, which is 100% because of your referring domains and your backlinks. You just don't have enough, and they're not of high enough quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, so they're really, really important that you go after and get high quality backlinks. And you need more of those than your top competitors. Because you don't have a whole lot of pages or content, you're only being indexed for 2 keywords, which is only bringing in 4 people to your website organically every single month. But when we look at your competitor, they have a domain rating of a 29 with approximately 1,500 backlinks. So you're going to need more backlinks and higher quality backlinks. Because they have a couple hundred different pages going on, They're able to be indexed for over 800 keywords, and they're getting traffic of at least 735 people every month to their website. So that just kind of shows you the type of volume that you're missing out on, um, in getting those customers to your website that you can convert into customers. Now, backlinks, as I mentioned, are not created equal. They are when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this backlink is to your website and your services, the more authority it's going to give you and the higher it's going to help you rank. It's important that those backlinks are considered do follows and not no follows, because they will actually share the power of those high ranking sites. And it's also important that those backlinks are closely associated to your keywords you're trying to rank for. They work hand in hand together. So that's going to be really critical to work on those. And the last thing, you want to make sure in the Google Maps, this is the Google Maps section or Google My Business page, you want to make sure that you're in the top 3 for your service areas and your keywords, because 30% of people come directly to the maps. They don't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3, you're sending those leads to your competitors. In order to be in the top 3, there's a bunch of factors, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business, an address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And so you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips I provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords in each of your service areas. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just a free educational video. I just asked for a little feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. If you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.